channel. It's Wolves nil, Spurs 1. Nuno Espirito Santo has 2 wins under his belt as Spurs manager. Wow, fantastic. Dele Alli penalty sealed the victory for the team. Kane came off the bench. He came off for Son Heung-min. And wow, Wolves lost to Spurs. Nuno Espirito Santo returns back to his former club and defeated them. Wolves! They lost. Wow. Nuno Espirito Santo is undefeated. Wow, man. Wow. Oh my gosh. No way. No way for this. Oh, no way, man. No way. Spurs defeated Man City 1-0. Come against Wolves. Do the same again. Beating Wolves 1-0 at Manel New. The home of Wolves. Oh my god. Wolves lost at home. Wolves lost at home to Spurs, to their former manager Nuno Espirito Santo. Oh my god. This is impossible. Nuno Espirito Santo, 2 wins as the boss for Spurs. No, Patricia wasn't even in goal. Raul Jimenez gets a chance to score for Wolves to bring them back into the game. No chance. No chance at all. No chance for Wolves to come back into the game between Wolves and Spurs. Big win. Big massive points for Wolves and Nuno Espirito Santo. Clean sheets. Right? Hugo Lloris isn't beaten in goal for Spurs under the charge of Nuno. What a weekend. Eh? Wow, man. Wow. Well, Wolves. It's big cracking, man, for Spurs, right? Big cracking for Spurs. Well, oh my gosh, man. Spurs! No way, man. No way. No, oh my god. Nuno Espirito Santo defeated Wolves, the team that he saved in the Premier League twice. And he beats Wolves. Oh my god, you're telling me that Nuno Espirito Santo defeated Wolves? No way! Oh my gosh, what? Oh, this man, no. Fantastic performance by Nuno Espirito Santo. He come off with a massive win. Well, big win for Nuno Espirito Santo as Spurs manager, man. and it's looking like wrapping season, right? Whoa! Wolves lose. They need to bounce back, team. So Wolves got to bounce back. Wolves got to bounce back. You see? Wolves got to bounce back. Wolves got to bounce back. Wolves got to bounce back. Eh? Wolves got to bounce back. Wolves got to bounce back. Seriously. Wolves got to bounce back. Wolves got to bounce back. Wolves got to bounce back. Seriously. It's gonna be a massive game. And the way I see this right now, it's gonna look wow. Wow. Well, it's gonna oh my god. Nuno Espirito Santo with a massive 2 win in a row under his belt. What a massive manager he has been, man. Beating Pep Guardiola, beating his former club, Wolves. What's next for Nuno Espirito Santo as Spurs manager? If he keep on doing this, will he challenge for the Premier League title? Hmm? He didn't challenge for anything, any title in the Premier League with Wolves. With Wolves. You see? It's gonna be a massive game. It is a massive show game. The way I see how Nuno Espirito Santo perform with this Wolves team is going to be a massive game. It's going to be a massive. It was a massive game indeed, but um, Nuno really, really doing his job as manager. Well, tomorrow it will be Dave Moyes and Brendan Rodgers. Let me talk about West Ham Leicester game coming up tomorrow. The Hammers, right, up against the Foxes. Will Mikel Antonio continue scoring goals? Eh? Or will Kilichi Iancho returns for Leicester? It's gonna be a cracking game tomorrow because it's a tough encounter, and if and the Wolves West Ham fans going to be at home, and the performance that I see from Dave Moyes against Bruce James in match week 1 when West Ham defeated Newcastle. If you keep up this form, and especially Jess Lingard um played 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 absolutely played absolutely eh? Absolutely indeed, absolutely, 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 absolutely. It's gonna be uh, it's 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 well, it's gonna be a cracking game tomorrow between the West Ham and Leicester. Can't wait to watch what the Foxes will do tomorrow, and especially the performance that I see now is really clinical, clinical. Um, uh, So it's gonna be a big matchup tomorrow between West Ham and Leicester City. Um, it's gonna be a big matchup tomorrow, no doubt. You so it's gonna be a big matchup. And the way Wolves got took, well, it's like how they now have it's gonna be a tough game between if West Ham is going to be a cracking game tomorrow. Will Ben Rama step up? Will Gerard Bowen step up? Or will my name there step up? Declan Rice, hmm? Pablo Fernandes. Will those guys step up for West Ham against Leicester? Eh? Will Jamie Vardy step up for the Foxes? I don't sure if Harvey Barnes will be starting against West Ham United. But that will be a cracking game. That will be a cracker. That will be a cracking game. Well, it's this Sunday game has wrapped up. 3 game was on today. It's going to be fantastic. You see, it's going to be fantastic though. But well, Nuno Espirito Santo picks up 2 wins on the chart for himself and his team Spurs. And good goal by Deli Ali from the penalty spot. No chance for the Wolves goalkeeper. This goalkeeper is young. He's new to the club. He's new to the team. It's the first time I'm seeing this new goalkeeper that they have in goal. That's Wolves. I never saw him play in the Premier League before. I only see Rio Patricio, the Portuguese goalkeeper. He's not at Wolves. He leave Wolves. And the Mexican still there, Raul Jimenez and Adama Torre still there, Ruben Neves, Joao Mantino still there. Yes, they're all still there, still. And wow, losing at home against this Spurs team on inch with Nuno Espirito Santo. Are you kidding me right now, man? No way. How could you lose to City lose and Wolves lose to Spurs? How that? How that? Who's going to beat Nuno Espirito Santo now? Who's going to beat them? We have to beat them. It's going to have to be us beat Spurs because Spurs beat Man City. Now they beat Wolves. What's next? If Spurs continue doing this, keep on winning and winning and winning and winning. Champions League. As a winner in the Champions League, Nuno Espirito Santo first Champions League as Spurs manager. The players know the Champions League well. That is Harry Kane, Dele Alli, Son Heung-min, and the rest of them know the Champions League very well. These players know it. No. But Nuno Espirito Santo will make if Spurs make it to the Champions League, it will be his first time going to the Champions League as manager of Spurs. So if he keep up this form continue, what will happen next? What will happen? What will happen next? Wolves lose to Spurs. Raul Jimenez get a chance to score and Hugo Lloris didn't score into the bar over the crossbar. I don't know what he was trying to do. And he failed to find the back of the net. Then Adama Torre with his skill as well on the other side for Wolves trying nothing happening for Wolves. Nothing really gaining up. But Son Heung-min for Spurs trying to score. Remember that he has one goal under his belt because he scored against Manchester City as well. So he's going. He wants to score to make 2 goals in a row. You see? So Son Heung-min really wants to step up for Spurs, like what he did against Manchester City at the Spurs Stadium. It's going to be a fantastic performance there. And well, we saw how it's a rough season though for Nuno Espirito Santo, the boss for Spurs. Keep up this form and he will have a chance. We're not like he's going to beat everybody in the Premier League. He wants to beat every team in the Premier League. Nuno Espirito Santo. He's going to try to beat every single team in the Premier League. With this form that he is right now putting in it, he's really, really doing his best. He right now it's like it's gonna be a different ball game. Different ball game. Different ball game. Absolutely gonna be a different ball game. Nuno Espirito Santo unbeaten 2 in a row. Man City don't lose. Wolves, he don't lose. Who's next gonna beat him? It's like Thomas Tuchel. Nobody gonna beat him. Klopp or a manager. We don't lose. Again, Pep, he lost. Wow, fantastic performance there. Pep lost. Bruce James lost. All of these managers are unbeatable. And the form that Romelu come 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 into this Premier League, it's like it's gonna rip everybody apart in the Premier League. Chelsea top in the standings. Can see Arsenal is in the relegation zone with Norwich City and Newcastle United. Are you impossibly telling me this that it will be? No, you know what's gonna happen next. Well, guys, I came here to talk about the game between Wolves and Spurs winning. Spurs winning, courtesy of Daniel Deli Ali. Son Heung-min should have stepped up for the penalty. We know he's very good at that as well. That is Son Heung-min, but it's Deli Ali goal sealed the victory. It should have been Kane scoring the second goal. Came off the bench, should have scored. The game should have ended Wolves 0, Spurs 2, and it end 1 goal still the courtesy of Spurs and gave Nuno Espirito Santo his second win under his belt as manager of Tottenham. Well, we don't know what the future will be for Harry Kane at Spurs, but let's see what's going to happen because the transfer window closing is counting down. It's counting down, so it's going to be a season. Absolutely going to be a massive season, no doubt. Well, I cannot wait to see what Dave Moyes and Brendan Rodgers will bring. That will be epic. That will be closing out match week 2 to going into match week 3 of the Premier League season 2021-2022. That will be epic. That will be epic. Well, I'm going to wrap up this now. And we have what a weekend, man. Starting off Saturday's game between my club Liverpool winning over Burnley 2-0. Norwich lost to Manchester City 5 goals to 5 goals to, before me leave 5 goals to 0. Jack Grealish, Laporte. There was that one goal by Tim Krul. And Ryan Mahrez. 5-0. So you're telling me that on go by Tim Krul, Laporte score, Raheem Sterling score, Jack Grealish score. So massive. Are you kidding me right now, man? Like, share, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button. Up the Reds, we are Liverpool. Thanks for watching, you guys. So peace. Come on, you Reds. Never walk on Liverpool for life. Peace. I'll be back tomorrow for the West Ham United versus